Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1T10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. You need to begin by locating and opening Sound Recorder app. To start your recording, tap on this button with a microphone, and before that, tap on Allow in the pop-ups. I already did that, so I can click on my button right away. As you can see, recording is on. You can use the same button to pause it or unpause it. To delete it, click on this pin on the left and select Discard in the pop-up. In order to save it though, click on this red square on the right. Now you can name your recording however you wish to, and tap on Save. To access list of all your recordings, tap on those three lines at the top right corner. The red dot notifies you that new recording was created. As you can see, mine is over here. If you want to play it, just click on it. In order to save it. If you want to delete it, click on those three dots on the right. And tap on Delete option. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!